Hey guys, okay, so today I'm gonna be, this is the mirror box that I made all with Dollar Tree items. I like to decorate it for every holiday. See, it's just a mirror box. So I'm going to be filming how I'm gonna decorate it for my fall decorations. I have an idea of what I want. So I have like these tall vases from Dollar Tree, these candles from Dollar Tree. I just got out all of my little fall decor things from Dollar Tree. And I do want these, like I wanna put 4 of them in here with the fake candles. But see, they sit too low. I might have to close those windows. Hold on. They sit too low. So I'm just going to use my Rachel Ray 10-ounce ramekins to put in there to make them higher. But you can get little bowls at Dollar Tree if you want to do this like all from Dollar Tree. So yeah, I just need those to get some height so that they stand up taller so you see the candles. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have an idea of what I want, just nothing exact. So I have these little pumpkins. I have the clips. These are actually real pumpkins over here. I have the little foam fillers. I have these fake things. I have leaves, the little pumpkins that are on the stick. These ones that remind me of Cinderella. Let me see, like I said, I got the candles. Yeah, I have the little ones and the big ones in here. There's those. And I also have all of these little gourds and corn and pumpkin and stuff. So yeah, I'm so excited to get this going. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what I come up with. here's the final product. Like I said, everything that I used is from Dollar Tree other than the Rachel Ray ramekins that I put the candle holders on. But you can get little dishes at Dollar Tree. I freaking love it. I cannot wait to get a new candle that works and then see how it looks in the in the dark with the light, with the candles on. But I absolutely love it, and everything was from the Dollar Tree. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like how I did this. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any more DIYs. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, guys.